If you've ever thought a beautiful Swiss roll was too difficult to make, today you're going to surprise yourself. This key lime Swiss roll is light, creamy, and bursting with fresh key lime flavor. I'll show you every step so you can make it with confidence. Let's make it together. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 10 by 15-inch jelly roll pan with parchment paper and lightly grease the paper. Preparing the pan now makes removing the cake quick and effortless later. The secret to a great Swiss roll isn't the flour, it's the eggs. Place 4 large eggs into a large mixing bowl. Beat them for about 5 minutes until they become thick, pale, and nearly triple in volume. Those tiny air bubbles are what give the cake its light, delicate texture and make it easy to roll. The next step makes all the difference. Gradually add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar while continuing to beat the eggs. Adding the sugar slowly helps preserve all that volume you've just created, giving the finished cake its delicate texture. Fresh key lime is what makes this unforgettable. Mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract along with 1 tablespoon of freshly grated key lime zest. Most of that amazing citrus flavor comes from the zest, so don't be tempted to skip it. Now we're building the structure. Whisk together 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisking them together first helps everything bake evenly. Don't stir, fold. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the egg mixture. Take your time. Every fold protects the air you've worked so hard to create, keeping the sponge wonderfully light. A smooth batter creates a beautiful roll. Spread the batter evenly into your prepared pan. Smooth the surface with an offset spatula, then give the pan 1 gentle tap on the counter to release any large air bubbles. That helps create a smoother sponge. Don't overbake this cake. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes. The cake is ready when it springs back lightly when touched. Even 1 extra minute can dry the sponge and make rolling much more difficult. This is the step everyone worries about, but it's easier than you think. Dust a clean towel with powdered sugar. Turn the warm cake onto the towel. Remove the parchment paper. Roll the cake from the short side while it's still warm. Rolling it while it's still warm helps the sponge hold its shape, making it much easier to fill later. Don't rush this step. A little patience here makes a huge difference. Now let's make the creamy filling everyone loves. This filling is creamy, fresh, and loaded with bright key lime flavor without being overly sweet. Beat together 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of fresh key lime zest, 3 tablespoons of fresh key lime juice. Beat until stiff peaks form. Carefully unroll the cooled cake. Spread the filling evenly from edge to edge. Now gently roll it back into its original shape. Because you rolled it while it was warm, you'll be surprised how naturally it returns to that beautiful spiral. Just one final touch. Whisk together 1/2 cup of powdered sugar with 1 tablespoon of fresh key lime juice. Drizzle it over the top. This simple glaze adds 1 last burst of bright key lime flavor and gives the cake a beautiful finish. Take a look at that beautiful spiral. Every slice is filled with light sponge, creamy key lime filling, and bright citrus flavor that tastes every bit as good as it looks. This is one of those desserts that always impresses people, but now you know just how easy it is to make at home. I hope you'll give this recipe a try because I think you're going to love it. If you do, I'd really appreciate it if you'd give this video a like. It helps more people discover key lime delights. And while you're here, tell me in the comments, what key lime dessert would you like to see me make next? I read every suggestion, and your ideas often inspire future videos. You'll find the complete printable recipe waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for spending a little time with me today. If you love key lime desserts, I'd love to have you join us by subscribing to Key Lime Delights. Until next time, happy baking!